Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a video render failing on openart. So a video render failing on this platform usually means something in your project settings, prompt or server processing is breaking the generation line. So actually guys, at first you will need to simplify your project, and that's the most common fix. So the video rendering fails when the prompt or scene is too heavy. So let's say that you want to create a video right here. So now you will need to try shortening your prompts that you will type on the description right here and describe your video section, and you will need to remove multiple scene changes and avoid overly detailed motion instructions. So for example, if you're going with ultra cinematic 4K, right, ultra cinematic 4K slow motion battle, you can go with cinematic character walking through a futuristic city, for example. Okay, so you will need to shorten your prompts, remove multiple scenes, and avoid overly detailed motion instructions. Okay, and don't go with the 4K, 2K, HD, or right. So I really want to give you this advice. And also guys, you will need to reduce the video complexity. So inside the openart video settings, you will need to lower resolution. So you'll need to try the 720p first. Where you can find it, you will need just to scroll down from here and then just click on the output and go with 720p, right? And also you will need to reduce the duration, so just starts with 3 to 5 seconds, and you can set it just from here. Okay, and also you'll need to disable the advanced effects like the motion blur and multi-scene. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.